Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with Beauty with Christy. I'm Christy, and today we're gonna do a little try on of the EYLURE Pro Magnetic Lashes here. Sorry about the glare. And it does say it's a 5-minute application, 15 wears. You can get these at Walmart, Ulta, I'm figuring CVS, but it's at Walmart for, I would just say $17 to round it off. It's about $16.99 or something like that. But you can get 15 uses out of these, and I picked these because they were the fullest lash. There were other magnetic lashes, but they weren't as full as these, so that's why I picked this one. And it does say to step 1, you're going to apply liner and allow to dry, and then you're going to apply 2 more coats, apply magnetic lash and liner. So this might be an easier fix than to put either the other magnetic lashes on you put together. I didn't like that one. That one is terrible. Sometimes it'll just be off for me. I don't know. Let's try this one though. Okay, so let's get started, and this is how it looks. I'm excited. Okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and hope you don't forget to subscribe below before you leave, and give me a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm just an ordinary girl playing with makeup. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try and zap these on. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put this side on real quick, see how that would work. I can see right away that it's not really sticking on very well. It's kind of like sucking. I think let's just put the other one on real quick here. You see that? Like, it's coming off. Yeah, it's not working very well. So this would be a big thumbs down for me. Yeah, no, it's not working at all. Yep, so this is a definite no for me. It can't even put one of them on. Oh well, we tried. Yeah, it's not very good. I'm not even gonna try and do the other one. But yeah, definitely I would not recommend these. Definitely not. Alrighty guys, sorry about that. Thanks for this review. Thanks for stopping by. This one sucks. Alrighty guys, I'll catch you guys later in my next video. Thanks for watching.